Hi there makers, Alena here of Sitn'Crochet, and in today's class I will be walking you through how to make this beautiful mosaic crochet blanket. Mosaic has been rumored to be super difficult, but I promise you, once we work our first 3 rows, it's gonna be so easy. All you need is that graph, know how to do that single crochet, and know how to work a double crochet, and these are all beginner friendly stitches. Our crochet blanket will be finalized by a double border, which gives it that beautiful finished touch. A mosaic blanket is only one-sided because the other side is just 2 stripes, and I will show you how we can bring this to life in any size that you want. If you want a baby blanket or just a throw, then go on and click on enroll and let me walk you through how to make yourself a crochet mosaic blanket.